Hi, in this video I'll introduce an app. It's a VPN application named OpenVPN Connect OpenVPN app. So you can see the rating of the app 4.5, 1 lakh reviews and 11 megabyte size of the app and 1 crore, it means 10 million plus people already download this app. Like you can see official app for access server, OpenVPN cloud and OpenVPN compatible services. How it looks like, you can see URL, or you can go with file, easy remote network access, fast and secure connection. So it's really free, like people say it's really good, so you can use it. How to download or install? Simply tap on the install button, so it takes few time to install. So you have to wait, and like if you want to learn more about this app, go here. You can see here the app is released 10 years ago. Yeah, that's it.